Hello friends, this is MC NITHIN of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University Anantapur. We, the students of Computer Science and Engineering, are here with a new project called EAMCET Rank Calculation System using C programming language. Generally, EAMCET is a common entrance test that were conducted by the different state boards. The aim and objective of this project is to calculate the rank based on the rules and regulations that were given by the respective boards and to issue the rank for the student based on the percentage of marks he obtained in the EAMCET and intermediate public examination. With the rank, a student can get a seat in the engineering college on the merit basis. At first, now I would like to demonstrate my project by showing the code. At first, Now, I would like to demonstrate our project by showing the code. At first, we included the several libraries or the header files that are required for the information like standard input-output header file and standard library header file. Next, we defined a couple of functions like adding information and viewing information of the student. Next, we have been declared a structure called student. In general, structures are user-defined data types. This will contain the variables like roll number, name, gender, etc., which were the necessary required information of the student. On heading towards the main function, which will be displayed first on the console, will show the user to enter his choice like adding information or viewing the existing information of the student. If the user enters 1, it will call the adding information function like add info. In this add info, it will first collect the details of the students like roll number, student name, gender, region, and date of birth, and this will be appended into the respective file. Next, it will collect the marks of the mathematics, physics, chemistry in both EAMCET and IPE, and it will calculate the percentage by using this logic. After completing of calculating the percentage, after calculating the percentage of marks, the function further moves to calculate the rank of a student by the method of sorting in C programming. In this, the student who got higher percentage of marks will get a better rank. And there is an exception. What if many students got the same percentage of marks? Then the tiebreaker will be resolved by the guidelines and the regulations given by the respective state boards of the state, like considering the marks of the individual subjects in EAMCET and intermediate public examinations, or by giving the preference of the age or date of birth, means the elder will be given preference over younger. This necessary sorting will be provided by this function like adding information, and finally it will display the hall ticket number, rank, and the percentage of marks obtained by the students, and it will be written into the file successfully. Next, viewing the information function is viewing the information of the student. And the next function is view info, which will show the information of the student after calculating the rank. In this function, it will show the percentage of marks and the name of the students, etc. in this function. And therefore, this code will be executed. Now, and finally, I would like to run the code and show you how it will be executed in the console. Let me run the code. By running the code, it will show you the screen like this. Welcome to EAMCET Rank Calculation System project, and it will provide you the 3 features like adding information of the student, viewing the information of the student, or exit from the windows. If you enter the choice which is not presented in these, like 4, it will warn you that wrong choice has been entered. Please check the choice. So you want to select the appropriate option which is provided to you. Let us now add the information of the student. Now it is asking the number of students to be added. You can add n number of students. For the time being, we will select 3 students. And now we will enter the details of the students. For the first student, let the roll number be 1 and the name be MCN. The gender of the student be male the region be SVU, the date of birth be 03/07 and 2002. This date of birth and the information is taken. If the tiebreaker exists, it will sort according to this date of birth and the following information. Now we'll enter the marks in mathematics, physics, chemistry in both EAMCET as well as intermediate public examination. Now first we want to enter the mathematics marks in EAMCET examination. It be 50, the fix 30, next 30. Now we want to enter the marks obtained in mathematics and the following subjects in intermediate public examination: 250 and 125 and 125. Oh, now we want to enter the details of the second student. Let it be GPA. Let she be a female student, and the region of the student, the date of birth of the student. Now we want to enter the marks of the second student. It be 70, 35. I'm entering the random marks. In the main program, you can execute with the perfect marks that she or he has been got in the examination. Now the third student. It will be DSR. It will be a male student. The region of the student be OU. And the date of birth of the student. Now we will enter the marks of the third student in the EAMCET examination as well as the IP examination. Now the program has been calculated the rank of the student as well as the percentages. First it has been calculated the percentager and it has been sorted and given ranks as 1, 2, 3. Now the second student has got 88% of marks by combining both the EAMCET as well as IPE, and she got first rank. And next the student of hall ticket number 3 has got 78% of marks and he got the second rank. And finally the first student has got 72.395836% of marks and he got third rank. And this message data has been stored successfully into the file. Let me show you the and now this is the respective file that has been stored the information that has been given into the console. If you want to show the program the information that has been stored, you want to enter the choice 2. Now it's showing the information that has been stored into the file. And next this can be performed for many times for n number of students. It will be sorted automatically. Now if you want to exit from this window, you should enter choice 3. And finally you can exit from this window. Through this project we can be able to calculate the rank of the n number of students and the percentage of the students, and it store the information of the students in the files for a persistent way. This is about the project, friends. Thanks for watching.